Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Luxe Fifth Wheels channel. Today we are outside the RV factory, our production location. Why? Because our team is back from our Las Vegas mobile showroom. Thank you to those who came out to see us, and because the weather here in RV Heartland, Elkhart, Indiana is finally beautiful, we'd like to take this opportunity to invite you to a factory tour. We offer private tours booked in advance with one of your factory representatives, or Monday through Friday, we do offer group tours at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll link the booking information below while we use this time to pop inside. If you're familiar with our production videos, you know that we always start in the chassis department. Our factory tours give you the opportunity to not only ask your questions, but you get to experience the quality of the coaches piece by piece as you go from here to here. Now, our tours can take up to an hour depending on questions and discussion, but also because this isn't our only building. Right behind the factory is our showroom, which right now has a great variety of floor plans from Elite, Toy Hauler, and Gold. This isn't always the case. Since we are a factory direct company, we don't usually have a lot of open units. We do have the showroom in Texas that we send coaches to, but seeing them finished and being able to touch and see them for yourselves is a great opportunity at the end of your factory tour. Drop a comment or give us a call at 844-284-6678, and we'll see you next time.